Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y100 5G with premium fiber leather design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.67 inches Full HD Plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 91.90% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 1200 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate. And with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and with flicker sensor. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.95 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.17 by 75.81 by 7.79 mm, and it weighs around 185.5, 191 grams, and the color options black onyx, purple orchid colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, IP54, dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y100 5G has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 3,899,000 Indonesian rupiah, and 69,999 Pakistani rupees, and 20,999 Indian rupees, and around $248 US. While the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 4,199,000 Indonesian rupiah, and 74,999 Pakistani rupees, and 21,999 Indian rupees, and around $267 US. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y100 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.